My name is Hansaben Joshi. I am from Rajkot. Few days back, I had a severe weight on my chest beyond the heart. So I went to Junagadh to my daughter's house and showed Dr. Agera Sahib to see and find what is the fault with my heart. No pain, nothing, only just a heaviness in the chest. And they took the angiography and suggested for a bypass. And he suggested Anil Jain at Ahmedabad. So we shifted here and he did bypass surgery to me. Now I am very fine. All the doctors and teamwork, staff nurses are very kind and humble and polite to us, and they did their duty. Thank you.